In corn season, there's nothing more satisfying than a shrimp boil. Today we are making a shrimp and corn boil, one pot, big flavor and a spice bag that quietly does all the heavy lifting. We are making it in the rooted spoon way, light, anti-inflammatory and zero guilt. No heavy butter buckets here. Let's start. Take a big piece of muslin cloth to make a spice bag. This is the secret to the broth. To that, add half a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon yellow mustard seeds, half tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 bay leaf, break it into 2-3 pieces, 7 to 8 whole black peppercorns or more. Bring all the 4 corners of the muslin cloth together, leaving the spices in the middle. Make sure there is no opening left, otherwise the spices will come outside in the broth. Give it a good twist and with a kitchen tie, tie a strong knot. This way the seeds bloom slowly inside the spice bag, giving deep aromatic flavor without leaving gritty little spice surprises in every bite. For 4 people, I am using 20 wild-caught frozen and raw shrimp. Leave them outside for a while to thaw completely. After the shrimps are thawed completely, devein them but keep the shell on. Shell broth is very nutritious and makes the broth taste richer. I am using 4 fresh corn. Cut the 2 ends of the corn and husk them completely, removing all the golden hair. Break it into pieces or leave as it is, your choice. I am also using red baby potatoes, but you can use any potato you like. Smash, peel and chop 4 cloves of garlic. Chop it roughly, no need to be very precise. Peel and chop 1 medium-sized onion roughly. Wash the baby potatoes thoroughly, removing all the soil particles. Heat up a wide-mouth, heavy-bottom pan. I am swapping butter for olive oil to keep this heart healthy. Butter would be delicious, but I am using olive oil because cholesterol is watching me from the corner. To that, add chopped garlic and thyme to perfume the oil. Just be careful not to let that garlic burn. Garlic tastes very good with shrimp and thyme is essential when you are cooking seafood. Once garlic browns slightly, add chopped onions. Give it a good stir. Add 5 or 6 crushes of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and stir everything together. To that, add Old Bay seasoning. 3 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning is enough for this much shrimp and corn and baby potatoes. Old Bay seasoning is specially made for seafood. Now add the baby potatoes. Saute for a minute. In goes the corn pieces. Give it a good mix, coating corn and potatoes in the spices. Add 2 cups of water or broth if you have at home. Now tuck in the spice bag, submerge in the water completely. Cover the pot and cook. Once the potatoes are done, the corn is definitely ready too. After cooking for 10 to 15 minutes, the potatoes are completely cooked. Now add a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Ideally, I should have added smoked paprika while sauteing the garlic, but I forgot. Now cover and cook for 4 more minutes. After